Hey everyone, today we're going to be removing the Airdam off of a 3rd gen Tacoma. You might want to do this for better ground clearance or a more aggressive look. Either way, this is a relatively easy mod, so stick around and we'll dive right into it. First up, on the back side of the Airdam, in front of the front passenger tire and the front driver's side tire, there's two 10mm bolts, and you can go ahead and take those out first. After that, on the front side, there's only 7 10mm bolts. On the front of the bumper, there's a 10mm bolt on either side that goes straight into the bumper, and you can go ahead and leave that one in there. Here I found out that recording with one hand and trying to use a ratchet with another hand in a confined space is a bit tricky, so bear with the fumbling. But these come out very easily, barely threaded in there to be completely honest, but they should come right out. As you remove the bolts, you might want to hold the Airdam in place to make removing the remaining bolts a bit easier. After you remove the Airdam, this is the one solid piece you should be left with. And here's the result. You get the illusion of having a taller truck while getting a more aggressive stance, but also getting the functionality of a better approach angle and higher ground clearance. I hope this video was some help to you. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.